if you're watching this tutorial, it's probably because you downloaded the mockups and you want to know how to use them. Well, no problem. I'm going to help you with that. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to apply your artwork to the digital mockup. So the mockup files are PSD files and there's also PNG files. The PSD files are going to be what you'll want to use in Photoshop. And as you can see, I already have one opened up. And if you don't have Photoshop, you can also use Photopea, but the PNG files are for Canva. All right, so let's hop right into it. Okay, so right off the bat, looking at the mockup, you can see I have all of my smart objects over here on the side. They are factored into the PSD file and they are labeled so they're easy to use. And we absolutely love that. So let's start off by doing the invitation card, which would be the A7 flat card. And how I'm going to apply my artwork is I'm going to double click and it's going to open up that smart object into another page. Okay, and I'm just going to move this guy over so I can get a look at all of my artwork here. I just placed it all into my desktop, so it's just easy to find. But what I'll do is drag and drop. So I'm going to find the A7 wedding invite. I'm going to drag and drop it there. I'm going to move it around a little bit, try to make it fit just a smidge better. Yeah, just adjust it to make it look a little bit more even if you'd like, and hit check mark. And then I'm going to click file and save. And it should drop my invitation right onto the mockup. There it is. It looks amazing. Okay, so I'm going to show you something else as well. Let's go ahead and apply the liner. So I'm going to open up the liner and I'm going to move this guy over, grab my artwork, and let's find the A7 liner. There it is. So the thing with this, it's just going to apply it as is onto the page. And I want it to fit into that liner cutout. So I'm going to right click my artwork and hit create clipping mask. And it's going to snuggle it right into that spot. So I'm going to click shift and resize. Okay, that looks great. We're going to hit the check mark and then save. Let's see. Awesome. Okay, so there is another thing I do want to show you really quick in case this just works easier for you. Um, and I'm going to click and drop directly onto the mockup itself. And as you can see, it's like floating on top of there. I'm going to grab my wedding invitation. So it's the wedding invite, and I want to clip it to the A7 flat card. So I'm going to grab that layer and drop it right above the smart object that I want to clip it to. So after that, after it is right above where you want it, you're going to right click and then hit clipping mask. And that is another way that you can get your artwork directly onto your mockups. And you can just adjust the sizing here. It is a little easier, especially if you're a visual person like me. I like to see what it's going to look like before I'm done with it. And yeah, that's just another way to do it. Quite honestly, my favorite way to do it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of these really quick. If you're not the type of person to keep all of your files onto your desktop, that's totally fine. You can just hit File, Open, and then you're gonna find your digital artwork. So I'm gonna use a details card, and it's gonna open it up on another page. So I'm gonna drag and then just drop it right onto that. And I'm going to take that layer and put it over the smart object layer that I want to apply it to. So the A1 flat card. And then I'm going to click create clipping mask and it's going to put that sucker right in there. Okay, resize it. I am going to hit export as, and then you'll want to save it as a JPEG, and then set your image size to whatever your heart desires. Then you're going to want to hit export. And that's pretty much all I have for you. It is very easy to use, and don't let these intimidate you. These are here to help you and help you grow your business. And we really hope that you enjoy the mockups. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around for some more tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye.